Dear parents, in this video, I am explaining rounding off numbers. Let them watch this video and understand the concept of rounding off. Rounding off numbers concept is important to make the calculation easy. For an example, let's say this is a group and I'm putting random lines inside this group. So, without counting these lines exactly, if I give a round off number, I may say there are nearest 10 lines in this group. So, this way, I'm not counting the lines, but still I'm giving a count of tentative lines in this particular group. So, in math, how do we come to a nearest round off? So, in today's video, we are covering three main concepts. Number one, nearest 10. Number two, nearest 100. And number three, nearest 1000. So, watch this video till end. At the end of this video, I am going to share a trick. One small summary which will help you to make the number round off very easily. So let's see the examples of every concept one by one. Let's begin with the first one, that is nearest 10. So let's say I have a number, 56. Now I wanted to make this number nearest 10. So whenever you put any number, there are places, right? So let's put the places of the number. This is ones place, this is tens place. And I wanted to get a nearest 10. So nearest 10 means this number needs to be updated. So if I check on the ones place, I will compare this ones place number with 5. If it is greater than or equal to 5, I will increase the tens place by 1. So, according to the logic, because 6 is greater than equals to 5, it is actually greater than 5. What I will do, I will increase the tens place digit to 6 and the round off will become 60. Let's take one more example. Let's take 22. Now, I have already explained you the logic. Let's attempt it one more time and it will cover one more case. So, let's put the digits tens place, ones place. Because I wanted to have the nearest 10, I will see the ones place digit, compare it with the 5. Now, this time, this 2 ones place digit is less than 5. So, if it is less than 5, no change in tens place. So, what does it mean? the tens place will come as it is and the ones place will become 0. So nearest 10 of 22 will be 20. Okay. Let's take another example where I will cover nearest 10 as well as nearest 100. Let's take an example. I take 113. So let's do nearest 10 first. Okay. So 113. This is 100 place. This is tens place. This is ones place. Because I wanted to have the nearest 10, I will check the ones place, which is 3. Compare it with 5. Is it greater or less? Of course, less. So I will say it is less than 5. So what I will do, as I mentioned, there is no change in the tens place digit. Even there will be no change in any other place digit. Only ones place will become 0. So the ones place will become 0 and rest of the place digits will come as it is. So the correct answer will be 110. Now let's think about nearest 100. Okay. So let's take the example again. The number is 113 where the places are 100, tens and ones. Because this time I wanted to have nearest 100. So nearest 100 in this case, because I wanted to have nearest 100, which place digit I need to check? I need to check tens place digit. So can you tell me what is the tens place digit? Is it 1 or is it 3? It is actually 1. So I will take the same logic. 1 is less than 5. Now what will be the case in this situation? So as I mentioned, when the number, the digit which you are comparing is less than 5, no change concept implemented. So what I will do, 100 place number will come as it is, tens place and ones place will become 0. So 113 nearest 100 is 100 itself. I hope आपको समझ में आ रहा है. Let's take another example. So this time I'm taking 176. Okay, let's do nearest 10 and nearest 100. So I say nearest 10. So let's do the same approach. 100, tens, ones. So when I say nearest 10, this is the place which I wanted to go for. And which digit I should check? I should check for ones place digit because I'm talking about 10. So 6 is greater than 5 or less than 5? Yes, it is greater than 5. Because it is greater than 5, what logic I have told you? The tens place digit should be increased by 1. So if I add, ones place will become 0. And if I add 1 to the 7, it will become 8 and 100 place will come as it is. Because I have not increased 100 place. It has to be nearest 10. Okay. Can you try nearest 100 with me? Give it a try. I'm also doing for you. So let's put 176, 100 place, tens place, ones place. What I'm looking for? I'm looking for 100 place. So I'll just highlight this. So which digit to compare? Tens place digit to compare. 7 greater than 5? Yes, 7 greater than 5. So because I'm talking about 100, I will increase 100 place digit by 1. So, rest of the place will become 0 and 1 plus 1 will become 200. So, nearest 100 of 176 will be 200. So, this logic continues. Let's take another example where I will cover the 1000 also. So, let's take an example here. I am taking a number. Number is 5276. And we can try all three logic all together. So, let's try all. Nearest 10. So, I will put the number 5276. This is my 1000 place, 100 place, tens place, ones place. So, because I am talking about tens place, I'll just highlight the tens place I wanted to do. And I need to check the ones place. So, let's compare 6 greater than 5. I will increase the tens place digit. Ones place will become 0. So, it will become 0. It will become 8 because 7 has to get increased by 1. So, that will become 8. Rest of the numbers because it is not 9. So, it will come to as it is. So, that will be the answer for nearest 10. Let's try nearest 100. So, 5, 2, 7, 6. 1000 place, 100 place, tens place and ones place. I wanted to do get 100 place. I will compare tens place, which is 7 greater than 5. So, if it is greater than 5, 100 place need to be increased by 1. So, 5, 3, 0, 0. Now, what should be the nearest 1000? So, let's take the example again. This is my 1000. This is my 100, tens and ones. So, because I'm talking about 1000 place, I'll highlight that 1000 plates needs to be done. What digit I will check? Just next to it, that is 100 place digit I will check, which is 2. Compare it 5, which is less than, so 2 is less than 5. So, when it is less than, what to do? No change. So, no change means in the 1000 place, there will be no change. So, I will say 5, 0, 0, 0. That is 5000. So, nearest 1000 of this number will be 5000. I believe you are able to understand the all examples. Give it a try. Try some more practice questions and sharing some questions. If you feel, you can comment your responses in the video. So, I'm sharing some numbers. You can comment your answers. You have to try nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000 of these numbers. 8, 6, 2, 5. And if you find any confusion, you can post your queries as well. So, let's take 9, 7, 2, 8. And let's take another one, 7, 6, 5, 2. So, these three questions you can try as practice, and I'm expecting your answers in the comment box. If you like this video, You can share this video ahead to your friends, and you can subscribe to our channel for computer and math related. Now coming to the tip of the video. So the summary is, when you say nearest 10, check ones place digit with 5. Okay. If digit greater or equal to 5, increase the tens place by 1. That is the logic. If ones place digit less than 5, no change in any other place, just make ones place 0. Let's talk about nearest 100. If it is nearest 100, check tens place digit and compare with 5. Same logic. If tens place digit greater or equal to 5, increase 100 place digit by 1, and ones place and tens place will become 0. Ones place and tens place will become 0. Otherwise, if digit less than 5, no change in any place, only tens and ones place will be 0. So that logic goes on. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any other question, if you wanted to ask any other query, you can comment in the chat box of the channel. We will definitely try to create the video on that topic.